starvation. Such condition is referred to as a famine. So, due to drinking unclean water, disease like cholera and typhoid can spread. And due to cyclone, what happened? Tree get uprooted. What gets? Tree gets uprooted. Electric poles gets damaged. Communication network get adversely affected. Yes, due to the cyclone, so wind is there, storm is there, so electric poles get damaged, communication network. If electric pole will be damaged, then what happened to you all? Communication network, telephone, all this line will be cut. So it will be affected to us. People become homeless. People will become what? Homeless. Why? Because due to storm and flood, many houses will be broken due to the storm, and houses will be flow away due to the flood. So what happened on that time? People will be the homeless. Flood water, home are submerged in flood water. Animal drawn in flooded water and are carried away by flood water. People will die, animal will die, they will, what will be there? They will carried away, they will drown in the flooded water and it will carry away in flooded water. Now next, today you will know about the natural calamities. In this, way to minimize the effect of flood and cyclone. In natural calamities, today you will know way to minimize effect of flood and cyclone. So what does here do? The government should construct dam in area that are regularly prone to flood. If dam will be there, so water will be locked there. They are preparing dam. So in dam, what you have seen that they are using stone like this way, no? So sideways they are preparing using stone and they are preparing that dam. So what government should take step? Government should construct a dam in area that are regularly prone to flood. Regularly area of flood, government should make their dam. So if they will make a dam, then flood water will not be overflow from the dam, then we will be in safe position. Yes. Next, what? Minimize effect for flood and cyclone. We can do. We can plant a more tree. Tree should be planted more. If you will plant a more tree, then what happen? Root will be there in mud, yes, in soil. Then flood, due to the flood water, our land it will not, that our field will not flow away from there, no. So what we have to do? Tree should be planted as break the speed of flowing water. If more tree will be there, flowing water with speed will be break down of the flow of the speed water. Yes. So what you have to do? You have to plant a more tree. Government should have to plant a more tree. Good drainage system will help to prevent the water logging. If drainage system will be good, then water logging will be not there, and if water logging will be not there, then different type of disease will not occur during the flood period. So what should be there? Drainage system should be, drainage system help to prevent the logging. And one more thing what we have to do, that warning given in weather, warning given in weather forecasting should be taken seriously. Weather forecasting they are giving, no, today don't go that area, flood will be there. So beforehand only they are saying that please vacate that area, tsunami will be there in that area. So that instruction we have to follow nicely. If government is saying to vacate that area, we have to vacate that area. They are weather in forecasting, they are saying to us, so we have to listen, we have to follow that thing. If we will follow that, people will be in safe position. So warning given in forecasting should be taken seriously. We have to take it seriously. We are not taking seriously. Now in coronavirus time, what we are doing? It is told to us to use a mask. We are using, no. We are not using masks and people are struggling. So if you will follow the instructions seriously, then you will be in safe position. So in weather forecasting, it is given to us, we have to follow it seriously, then people should move to the safe place. People should move to the safe place. So to protect us from, what step we will take for effect of flood and cyclone? What step? First thing, that government should construct a dam. Government should construct a dam in that area where regularly flood is coming. Next one, tree should be planted more. Why tree should be planted more? Because it will break down the speed of flowing of water. So tree should be planted more. Third one will be, good drainage system will be help to prevent water logging. Good drainage system will be help to prevent water logging. And last one is that warning are given to us in weather forecasting. It should be followed seriously. It should be followed seriously. People should move to the safe place. Where people will move? People will move to the safe place. If we will follow all these things, and then what will be there? We will be in safe position. But what we are doing? We are not following the thing. So, what are the ways to minimize the effect of the flood and cyclone? Dam should be there, one step. Government, who will prepare that dam? Government will. Why? Where regular flood is coming in that area. So, water will not flow if dam will be there, no. Water will be remain there. Next one, we should be planted more tree. Why tree should be planted? If more tree will be there, then the break of speed of flowing water will be there. Break of speed of flowing water will be there. Next one, good drainage system. If good drainage system will be there, so it will help to prevent the water logging. If water logging will be not there, different type of disease will not occur, then we will be in safe position. And lastly, what we have to do, warning is given to the weather forecasting. That one we have to follow seriously. We have to follow seriously, and people should move in safe place. Okay, it is clear to you all, students. So today this much only. Again next class I will continue with other topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.